Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x times 2 with the power of x dx. Okay, so you can solve this integral using the formula for integration by part. That is, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here I define x as u, therefore dx will be equal to du, and I define 2x dx as dv. Therefore, v will be equal to integral of 2x dx. Okay? From table of integral, we know that the integral of a with the power of x dx is equal to a with the power of x divided by ln a. So you should know that from table of integral. So here, a is equal to 2. Therefore, this integral will be equal to 2 with the power of x divided by ln 2. So all you need to do here is to substitute this expression into this formula. Therefore, this integral will be equal to uv. U is x, v is this term. Therefore, x times 2 with the power of x divided by ln 2 minus integral of v du. And v here is 2 with the power of x ln 2 times du, and du is equal to dx. Okay, and that one will be equal to x times 2x ln 2 minus 1 divided by ln 2. ln 2 is constant, so I take it out of the integral. Integral of 2x dx, okay, which will be equal to x 2x divided by ln 2 minus the integral of 2x dx. We have it here, integral of 2x dx is equal to 2 with the power of x divided by ln 2 and times another ln 2. Therefore, this will be equal to 2x times ln 2 with the power of 2 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.